Good morning, students. In a previous video, we studied the fertilization process, and today we are going to study parturition and lactation. Now, first you understand what do we mean by parturition. Human pregnancy has the duration of 9 months. So, this duration is called gestation period or gestation period. At the end of this period, vigorous uterine contraction lead to the delivery of the fetus. This process is called parturition. What is parturition? The delivery of the fetus is termed as parturition. And what is gestation period? The complete period, the growth of the complete embryo required is termed as gestation period. Parturition is stated by the signals from the developed fetus and the placenta, which produces the fetal ejection reflex. What is placenta? Placenta is nothing but a connection between the fetus, growing fetus, as well as with the mother. What is the significance of placenta? It fulfills the three need. What three need? Excretional, nutritional, and respirational. Exchange of gases takes place. Whatever the nutrients are required for the growing embryo, that is fulfilled by the placenta, as well as whatever the metabolic waste is formed, that is removed through the placenta. This now pay the attention on the screen. This causes the release of oxytocin. Oxytocin is the hormone released by the pituitary gland, which causes the stronger uterine contraction. Uterus का contraction and relaxation होता है, continuous movement होती है, which leads to the delivery of the child. This leads to the expulsion of the baby along with the placenta. Now this is the full picture which is shown. Red color portion is shown, that is the placenta, and the fetus is present in the uterus. Okay, now birth process. What will happen first? Amniotic sac, rupture of the amniotic sac, to then it leads to a amniotic fluid is then the third stage, the child, yes, here first the head comes out, and in a third stage umbilical cord comes out. Then lactation. During the pregnancy, the mammary glands undergo differentiation and the milk is produced during the end of pregnancy. The milk produced during the first few days of the lactation is called colostrums, and it contains several antibodies that aids the newborn to develop the immunity. This is all about the lactation and the implantation process. Thank you very much.